Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to present a technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart, and we will be looking at few technical indicators, and we will try to understand what's going on in these two cryptocurrencies, what is the technical view, what are the levels for these two cryptocurrencies, etc. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the chart of daily chart of Bitcoin, and if you look at here, okay, now if you look at here, you can see some interesting thing after a very long period of time, because the price, after this fall is just trading in a consolidation area. However, it is still trading in a consolidation area, but one thing which looks interesting here is that now, just look at this downward trend line, the green colored line, where the price is just making, higher, lows. However, if you look at this whole momentum, you can see that still the buying is missing. If you talk about the price action, if you look at the the momentum of the price, or if you look at the bullishness bias, or something like that, that is still missing, unless and until we are not getting a very good breakout towards this 22,600. Before that, we are not sure about the reversals, but yes, here we can see some small indication that the price is making higher lows here, and if the price is able to just trade higher than this downward trend line, that will be a good sign, because then we might able to see that price might able to give the breakout to the resistance side. So this is something you can look at here, and you can just see that the price basically is just taking a resistance at 22,600. So for me, Bitcoin, for the daily chart, for the short term period, the levels could be 22,600 is the resistance, and 20,000 is the support area. So again and again, the price will come back to 20,000. You might see a slight upside towards 22,600, and once the price reaches there, you will see a fall till 20,000. So the 20,000 level, the price is not breaking that level, and that is something which looks interesting here. So you just need to make sure that the price will not break this downward trend line, and if that happens, you will surely see that for at least for a short period of time, or maybe for a long period of time, that depends once we'll get the indication from the technical tools, but maybe we might able to see a small breakout after that. So this is for the Bitcoin, and if I'll come to the Ethereum, almost the same situation is there for Ethereum. Yes, so here also you can see that the price is falling, but look at the volumes here, which is very low, and also the price is very near to this downward trend line. Okay, this trend line. So again, the same situation comes here. If the price holds up this level, because here also the price is just creating higher lows here, that is again a very good sign of maybe a small upside or small bullishness biasness, as I already told you in the Bitcoin currency. So again you can just see that if the price holds up this level, this trend line, or at least this support area of 1050, then it will be good for the Ethereum, because from there at least we might not able to see more fall in this currency. So this is something you can look at here, and for the Ethereum, the levels could be 1215 as the resistance and 1050 as the support. So these are the two levels, and the price is just trading in between this area. And if the price holds up this trend line and again goes back, then we might able to see a 1215 breakout very soon as well. So just let's just wait for to get more clarity on this, and then we might able to see a clear direction. So till that time, you will see this kind of small movement between this area, these two ranges only. So this is all for today, and I hope you are learning something new through these videos. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell icon. Also, if you like this video, hit the like option as well. So let's meet you, we'll be meeting you tomorrow, and that's all for today. So thank you so much for watching us.